Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the parameter ordering in Python functions. So, for the last couple of videos, we have been discussing about the arbitrary positional arguments and arbitrary keyword arguments. So, here I have written down the order in which you have to sort your parameters while declaring the function. First of all, there are our parameters which we know. Then we have to add the arbitrary positional arguments. Okay. Then we have to add the default parameters. And after that, we can add the arbitrary keyword arguments. So I have written down this function to demonstrate that particular ordering of the parameters inside of the functions. Okay. So here we are using this greet function. Here we are getting the username, which is the first argument, which is this one. Then we are catching all of the positional arguments with this star args. So we are getting these two here. Okay. Then we are having the default parameters. Okay, which is the person name, which is John Doe. In case if you want to pass the parameter here as well, you can do that, but I am not doing that here because this is a default parameter. All right. And after that, we are passing thus double star Kwargs, that is the arbitrary keyword arguments. Okay. So here what we will get all of these, the first name, last name, age and country inside of a dictionary. Okay. So in case if we want to, we can do something like this. Okay. So here what I will do something like print of username. Okay. And here what I'll do, okay, let's keep it here. Okay. All right. So now if I just now run the program, first of all, the username, we are getting John. Okay. That is cool. Then the args, we are getting this tuple. Okay. So we are getting 40 and hi there inside of the tuple. Okay. All right. Then we are having the keyword arguments, which is this one, first name, last name, age and country. So basically all of the keyword arguments inside of the function calling, we are getting it in form of the dictionary. Okay. Which we have seen in the last video. And then here is the person name, which is John Doe. Okay. So we are getting John Doe here. And these are all of the old print statements. Okay. So as you can see, this is the correct ordering for the parameters in Python functions. So what exactly is the order? First of all, the known parameters, then the arbitrary positional arguments, then the default parameters, and then the arbitrary keyword arguments. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So this is the parameter ordering in Python functions.